Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see SC-200 Microsoft Security Operation Analyst Lab 14. Create workbooks in Microsoft Sentinel. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Alright, I am logged on to the portal. I'll click on Microsoft Sentinel. So what happens is once we have connected our data sources to Microsoft Sentinel, we can visualize and monitor the data using the Microsoft Sentinel adoption of Azure Monitor Workbooks, which provides versatility in creating custom dashboards. And Microsoft Sentinel allows us to create custom workbooks across our data. It also comes with built-in workbook templates to allow us to quickly gain insights across the data as soon as you connect a data source. So I connected a couple of virtual machines to this, but I had to delete them to save the cost. But I'll show you how you create a workbook. So if you click on Microsoft Sentinel and under Threat Management, you click on Workbook. Okay, these are saved workbooks, these are templates, these are updates, and this is how you create a new workbook. So if you see the templates here, these are templates, and if I click here, you click on View Template. Advanced KQL query for Microsoft Sentinel. These are the categories: correlation, etc. If you will click on this, and this is back to category. Oh wait, you click on Add Workbook. Welcome to your new workbook. This area will display text formatted as Markdown. We have included a basic analytics query to get you started. Use the edit button below each section to configure it or add more sections. So if you scroll down and you click on edit, right, you can click on edit here and you can add. You want to textile, info, upsell, success. You can do this. You can save it. Save as new workbook. You can save it and you can save the content to an Azure storage account as well. I don't want to do that right now. Okay, this item had been saved. And when you'll scroll down, you'll see this is a new workbook. Now, if you want to edit it, you can make changes here. You can add the here context here. You can change the settings and whatnot. So it is basically visualizing the data using the Azure Monitor Workbooks in Azure Sentinel. We can use built-in workbooks. You can use new workbooks if you want to use built-in workbooks now. So I go to these are the templates. Let me search for this one, analytics efficiency. Get insights into the efficiency of your analytics rules. In this workbook, you can analyze and monitor the analytics rules found in your workspace to achieve better performance by your SOC. So you will click on View Template. Auto refresh. Click on refresh. You refresh it. Then you go back. You click on save. Save workbook to which location? I selected West US. It's validating. You click on view saved workbook. Now you can edit it. That was a template. That's why we were not able to edit it. But when you save a workbook, then you can edit and customize it as per your needs, right? So select subscription, workspace, and time range from the drop down above. This is my subscription. This is my subscription workspace. I'll select the workspace that is onboarded because I selected West US. That's why I'm not seeing that workspace on which the one that I've onboarded to Microsoft Sentinel. So I made a wrong selection by selecting West US. Then you should be considerate. Oh no, my bad. Because I don't have any resources connected to this workspace that I've onboarded, that's why I'm not seeing the relevant data. And now, if you want to let others in your organization use the workbook, then you click on view saved workbook. You can save it and then you can select shared reports as well to show it to other people. All right. And you can always refresh your workbook data by clicking on here and get the data. Please make sure that you have resources connected through data connectors when you are working on workbooks. It will give you more visualized information to see the results in the workbook. I hope this video was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.